Behold my new kitchen, actually, like for real, which is not the point of this video, but this is the kitchen in our new home in Colorado, which I'm super excited about because, I mean, look at all this natural light and so much space. But the point of today's video is to do an unboxing of a shipment that I received from GSI Outdoors. It was a while ago, so quite frankly, I don't remember what it is that they were going to send me for product testing. So it's gonna be a surprise, so I'm gonna go get that. Oh my Lana, she heavy. Okay, I need something to open it. It's loud. Okay, first we've got an insulated cocktail set, which comes with the 7.5 ounce tumbler, 222 milliliter tumbler, same thing. Stainless steel lid, removable strainer, a 17 ounce vacuum flask, and then a second 7.5 ounce tumbler in a zippered case. It should look like so. Let's see. Okay, is she pretty? It has 2 tumblers, and here's the stainless steel top. You can see the strainers right there, which is removable, and voila, you have everything you need for on-the-go cocktails. And this is camping, hiking, backpacking proof, which of course is crucial. And these are of course made of plastic, not glass. But you also have the handy dandy case, and it's basically the size of like your average, like, you know, coffee holder. So it doesn't take up too much space. I really like the fact that it has this loop, because if for whatever reason I'm overpacking, like I typically do, I can use a carabiner and hang this off the outside of my pack, because you never know when you might be in need of a cocktail, you know? So yeah, we got that. All right. Moving on. Ooh, Mini Espresso. It's a mini espresso machine, guys. How cute is it? Look, it's so little. It's like baby sized. And yeah, it's a 4-cup set. I love it. Look how, guys, look how cute. Anyways, probably don't want to tear it apart. I don't know. Okay, so this of course also has a nice hard shell carrying case that keeps it protected. Great, it's zip tied. And I have no scissors. We're still moving, so we don't have scissors because I don't know. Okay, we will come back to that. And lastly, usually I would open this with a pocket knife, but guys, I don't know where mine is, so just bear with me, just doing the best I can right now. Okay, and it says table for 2 picnic set, like so. Voila. So it comes with the zippered carry bag, a folding corkscrew and bottle opener, bamboo cutting board, 2 food containers with lid, a paring knife, 2 stainless steel wine glasses, a wine carafe, and a folding picnic table. Guys, I am so excited for this. I am going to take Lily on a picnic probably Monday, I think, because the weather is supposed to get better. Right now it is 30 and it has been snowing since I opened my eyes at around 7 a.m. And now it's, gosh, I don't even know, almost 4, and it hasn't stopped snowing. So, but then on Sunday, it's supposed to be, I believe, 60 and sunny, and it's all uphill from there, at least for a while. But super excited to try this. I'm not gonna unpack it all right now. Actually, I can do that. Why not? Especially since I can't open that, move that before I accidentally stab myself. Okay. Look at that, ain't she pretty? Okay. So here we've got the bamboo cutting board and the folding table. And then you've got the 2 plastic storage containers, bottle opener, paring knife, wine, and then the glasses. So I'm definitely looking forward to using this. The wine will only be for me, not for Lily, of course. However, it's super cute. It would make a really cute gift also, like for a girlfriend or really anyone who likes wine. So yeah, and that's all I have for you guys on this unboxing. I will do a product review once I've actually tested out the product in the wild. Otherwise, why would you trust a word I say? So look out for those product reviews. Don't know when they'll be up, but they will be up eventually. Hopefully, if this weather clears, I'll get back to doing my outdoor things. Anyways, as always, thank you guys for joining me. I'm Isa from GSI Outdoors. Please hit subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate you guys. Bye.